Huwag mong isama ang mga personal expenses mo sa expenses ng business mo. This is a common scenario sa mga negosyong na-encounter namin. Halo-halo ang expenses ng business at personal na bayarin kaya ang gulo-gulo ng accounting ng business nila. Ang masakit, ang depensa ng business owner, laging amin naman yung negosyo parang sweldo ko na din yung kinukuha ko. While practically true, this could cause confusing accounting records leading to delays sa pag-produce ng reports kasi lalong tumatagal yung proseso in picking up which is which. And worse, baka magka-problema ka pa sa BIR questioning the claimability of your transactions. Maaakusahan ka pang nandadaya ng tax records mo. Keep your personal expenses separate from your business records. It will save you from a lot of trouble at mas madali pang mamonitor kung ano talaga nangyayari sa business mo. This is the power of accounting automation, and if you're interested to know more, send us a message. Lagi tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.